Today we're going to make this beautiful and easy top for every size that you want to make. Some of you prefer written pattern. I place a link in the description box below. We will be needing 7 different colors of rainbow color, scissor, and a white yarn, measurements as well. So let's begin. Make a slip knot to begin. Make a chain of 2, 1, 2. 4 single crochet in the first stitch or first chain. 1, 2. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. This kind of yarn is quite hairy, so probably gonna be a little bit difficult to see the stitches, but that's it. That's why I'm using 5.50mm hook, so I can see much more of the stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stitches in total in round 1. Round 2, I'm gonna chain 1, turn, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1, 2, and then 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches in total in round 2. Round 3, chain 1, turn, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 single crochet each. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You should have 6 stitches in total in round 3. Round 4, chain 1, turn, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 single crochet each. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is your work should look like. Should have 7 stitches in total. So we are adding 1 stitches in each row. In round 5, I want to change a color. Chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn here. If you want to change a color, which I want to change color, make a slip knot. We're gonna add the rainbow color after round 4. So grab your chosen rainbow color. I just pick up a medium weight yarns or the yarns that I have available here, and I added them here. Insert hook in the very first stitch. I'm gonna start here and insert hook in the slip knot and pull. Make a chain of 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet per stitches until the last stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last one 6. I have 8 stitches in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn. Repeat this in each of the next colors, which I already have here. 1 2 3 4 5 6, all of this, and repeating round number 5 pattern. 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet per stitches with all these colors, starting from here, 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 here. But it's up to you which order you like for the colors. I am now in round 12. Insert your hook in the very first stitch, anywhere, here or here, doesn't matter. Make a slip knot and pull. Make a chain 1, turn, 2 single crochet in the very first stitch, 1 2, 1 single crochet per stitches until the last stitch. We are now in round 12, and in round 11 we have 14 stitches in total. And here in the last stitch I'm gonna place 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. I'm gonna repeat round 12, and we are adding 2 stitches in each round that we're gonna repeat. We have 16 stitches in total in round 12. We have 16 stitches in total in round 12, and then round 13, chain 1, turn, 2 single crochet in the very first stitch, 1 single crochet per stitches after that until the last stitch, two single crochet in the last stitch, 1 and 2, and we should have 18 stitches in total here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 stitches in total. So we are adding 2 stitches in each round because we are 2 double crochet here and 2 double crochet in the other end as well. So I'm gonna repeat round 13, and I'm gonna show you how many rounds I made. I ended up in round 26, which I have 44 stitches in total. And now I'm gonna chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn. Secure the remaining stitch once you're done or later, it's up to you. And now I'm gonna repeat the rainbow again. I'm gonna repeat round 5, how you change color, and then all the color after that, and then I'm gonna repeat this again, and then repeat this again. Go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. I'm changing color, but the pattern is the same in round the previous round, which is here in round 44, which is 2 single crochet in the beginning of the first stitch and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. But the only difference is we change color, and this we have to follow, or it's up to you how you attach the new color. Chain 1, turn. I am now in round 45. You're adding 2 stitches every round and 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in the very first stitch, and 1 single crochet per stitches, until the last stitch, and in the last stitch 2 single crochet. I'm here in my last stitch, placing 2 single crochet in that last stitch, and then once you're done, chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. Secure the remaining stitch if you want right away, and then I'm gonna begin with the next color, and then this color, this color, this color, all the way till I'm finished. This one here is we only add 2 single crochet in the first stitch only, but here in the next rainbow color is 2 single crochet and 2 single crochet in the last, first and last, just like what we did here. Once you're done, chain 1, pull tight, chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn. This is your work should look like. This is about 20 inches wide from here all the way here. Add more rows to get your size, and I'm gonna stop here in 21 inches wide in total, and this is about 11.5 inches long. So now we're gonna make the straps. Insert your hook in the last stitch, make a slip knot. I'm using white yarn. You can choose whatever color you like for the straps. Then make a chain. I'm gonna make a chain of 74. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is gonna be equal to 11.5 inches long, but you can make it longer. Just add more chain if you want to make it longer. Once you're done, chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn. And this is how it look like. I hope you guys like it. I place a link in the description box below for the written pattern. Some of you prefer that one. That's it. Bye.